Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the critical topic of cyber breakdown. What is it and why should you care? Cyber breakdown refers to the failure of essential digital systems, creating widespread havoc in various sectors. Understanding this phenomenon is vital in our increasingly digital world. Stay tuned as we explore the causes, consequences, and what they mean for us all. By the end of this video, you'll grasp the importance of safeguarding our digital infrastructure. So, buckle up and let's get started. Welcome to our in-depth exploration of one of the most significant technological challenges of our time, cyber breakdowns. Imagine a scenario where overnight, critical digital systems we rely on fail simultaneously. No access to your bank account, healthcare services grind to a halt, and communication networks go dark. Cyber breakdown refers precisely to this, a catastrophic failure of digital infrastructures that cripples essential services. These breakdowns represent large-scale disruptions with far-reaching consequences. From power grids to financial institutions, no sector is immune. To truly grasp the impact, consider real-world examples. In 2017, the WannaCry ransomware attack paralyzed the UK's National Health Service, affecting thousands of patients. And in 2020, a massive cyber attack on SolarWinds compromised numerous government and corporate systems. Understanding cyber breakdowns is not just about recognizing these failures, but preparing for and mitigating their effects. As we continue to dig deeper, we encounter the pivotal question: what exactly causes a cyber breakdown? Several factors weave together to form the complex tapestry of disruption. Sophisticated cyber attacks top the list. Think of hackers breaching defenses, exploiting weaknesses, and launching relentless assaults. Next, we have system vulnerabilities. These are the hidden cracks in our digital infrastructure, the bugs, outdated software, and unsecured networks that offer easy entry points for malicious entities. Lastly, human error plays an undeniable role. Whether it's a misplaced email or weak password, the tiniest mistake can set off a chain reaction, leading to catastrophic failures. Each of these causes is a threat on its own, but together, they create a perfect storm capable of toppling even the most fortified systems. Understanding these root causes is crucial for building stronger defenses and ensuring our digital world remains resilient in the face of adversity. The consequences of cyber breakdowns are severe. Economies can be crippled, leading to massive financial losses and instability. Social order can be disrupted, causing chaos and fear among communities as critical services become unavailable. The global security landscape can be threatened, as cyber attacks can undermine nation-states and international relations. When economies are hit, the ripple effects can be felt globally. Businesses grind to a halt, financial markets plummet, and trust in digital systems erodes. On the social front, the breakdown causes widespread panic and disorder. Communication channels fail, healthcare systems become incapacitated, and everyday life is thrown into disarray. In terms of global security, cyber breakdowns pose a significant threat. National defense systems can be compromised, confidential data can be exposed, and hostile actions can be taken by adversaries exploiting the vulnerabilities. Understanding these consequences underscores the importance of robust cybersecurity measures. As our journey through the intricate world of cyber breakdown comes to an end, let's take a moment to recap. We've defined the essence of cyber breakdown, explored its fundamental causes, and delved into its profound consequences. These insights reveal just how intertwined our digital world is with our daily lives. The takeaway? Awareness is essential. In a rapidly advancing digital age, being informed and prepared is not just an option, it's a necessity. Cyber breakdowns are not far off, speculative events. They are real and present dangers that can impact us all. So what can you do? Start by staying informed. Understand the risks, learn about the protective measures, and be proactive in safeguarding your digital footprint. Knowledge is power, and by spreading awareness, you contribute to a more secure and resilient digital future. If this video has helped shed light on the complexities of cyber breakdown and inspired you to take action, please show your support by subscribing to our channel. Hit that like button and stay tuned for more insightful content. Remember, staying informed is the first step to staying secure. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay vigilant and stay safe.